I grew up, me and my three siblings, mother and father, up the street. I feel like everyone deserves access to healthcare and great healthcare at that. So I'm really eager and excited to be part of a system and team of providers that have really been leading the way in providing resources and vaccines and access to care to communities and the pockets in our city that really need it the most. I think this clinic itself really is a big step forward in closing some of the access to healthcare gaps and disparities that have historically existed and persisted in our city. I'm remembering just being on these sidewalks and all the times that I've walked up and down this street. I came from these same sidewalks as the patients that will walk through this door and consider myself to be a rose that grew from the same concrete, that they will confide in me and be able to trust me with their care and helping them make the most informed decisions to lead better lives. This was something that our city has been in need of. One of my strongest desires is in health equity and healthcare disparities. Growing up in the west end of town, there are definitely a lot of challenges and adversity that youth in this area experience, and definitely saw my fair share surrounding me with my friends and family members. I feel grateful and blessed to have been able to use a lot of those experiences as motivators to find ways to change the narrative in the community and give back to the community. And I just want to pour so much of my knowledge and my energy and my heart into this because I believe that this community deserves it. And I think this will save lives, and I think it will change lives for generations to come.